we are making something very interesting. I'm cooking something which has got a lot of nutrition. It's very comforting, very easy to make. This is diabetic friendly. It tastes like hopes and dreams. We are making Paneer Chowder. So I've taken paneer. I am going to pour some vegetable stock in this. I'm going to make a fine paste of this. Now this is the consistency what I am looking for the paneer. Nice, smooth and creamy. If I have to tell you a way towards heaven, according to me, it is garlic and butter. So a bit of olive oil is not going to hurt at all, right? It'll add a lot of volume and texture and very earthy aroma. If you notice, I have not switched on the flame yet. I am going to be switching it now. Keep it very low. Here we are not going to brown the garlic. Just the butter has to melt. Keep stirring. You all can tell me in the comment section that why it is suggested to stir the food clockwise. So we chefs never zigzag or don't write initial of somebody's name, doesn't matter how close that person is. We just do it clockwise. Here, just when the butter has melted, I'm going to pour in some vegetables. So here is broccoli, cauliflower, bit of cabbage. It adds a lot of crunch. And if you want some earthiness, add mushrooms. Already I can sense the aroma of these mixed vegetables. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Coriander. Never ever separate the corianders from the stem. So much of flavor stays in the stem and we throw it away. I love fresh herbs, but for this particular recipe, I'm using Italian seasoning. I'm going to use stock. Salt is a very essential part of the food, but when you're using salt, use it in the right way. When you're using salt in the soups, make sure that whatever is the required balance amount, you should be putting the salt a little lesser than that, so that the reason behind what I'll tell you, I'll explain that if you're eating the soup, after 1 or 2 spoons, your palate gets cleansed and the same amount which you thought it is balanced, start tasting more. So you always have scope of adding salt later on. So be a little mild and go a little slow on the salt. This is very nutritious based on correct nutrition and it is very flavorful. As I told you earlier, if you remember, it tastes like hopes and dreams. What are the benefits and why I keep suggesting people to have it? You are struggling with something which is very dangerous and that is called craving. Why you keep craving all over again and again and again? Because you are not getting enough protein. Now, are you tired of eating paneer constantly and you keep saying that I cannot eat any more paneer? The answer is here. Please make a soup and enjoy this warm, comforting bowl. You need to reduce the flame and put this beautiful creamy paneer slowly, gradually. A quick stir and you see the color. It is so beautiful and satisfying. And then while the flame is slow, I'm going to pour a little cream. You can skip if you want. A quick stir again. And never ever do this mistake while you're cooking the soup and the flame is too high, you add cream and it gets curdled. I mean, chances are there that it gets curdled. Guess what's here? The celestial basil. I want the texture of the basil to be felt in the mouth. So while you're chewing, the burst of basil flavor is outstanding. Now this soup is free from any kind of thickening agents, and trust me, corn flour and refined flour is not healthy. We have used paneer as a thickening agent and the foundation ingredient in this. Trust me, heaven in this bowl. Please promise me that you all are going to make this soup and enjoy it because this is nutritious. This is diabetic friendly. This is so good and so filling. The shelf life of this soup, if you make the base and keep ready in your refrigerator, is 3 to 4 days, right? So what's stopping you from making this beautiful thing? This is Chef Rahull Singh signing off. Stay tuned. See you soon on Rajshri Food.